What's up everyone, this is G-Shock channel coming back at you with yet another G-Vlog. Today, as I promised, I'm gonna get to the details on the functions of this GA-400 model. Before I continue, I would like to say that all GA-400 model was made to fulfill a timer function. All access to timer function will be easy on this type of model. So with that in mind, let's get to it. At this timekeeping mode, if you press adjust and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, and this hour and minute hand will automatically move to a place either left side or right side. This arrow will move either here to here so that you could clearly see this top screen and below screen here without anything in your way. That's one point over there. From here you could set up a lot of things. Just use the mode button. First we have current city/local time setting, and then we have DST off or on, gonna leave it off, and then we have 24/12 hour time setting. To switch it up, you just need to use the rotary crown, either 24 hour or 12 hour type. I'm gonna set to 24 hour, I prefer it this way. Press mode again, we're going to have seconds here if you want to reset it to 0. I'm not gonna change anything on that. Then we go to minute and hour time setting, and then press it again. We're gonna have the calendar, year, day, and the date, and then we have the key sound. I'm not going to mute it for this video, let it on. And light, this is in auto light. We could switch up how many seconds the light will pop up, which I'm gonna use it for 3 for this video. And we're back to time, everything is set. Press adjust one, and the minute and hour hand will automatically move back to 5:10 p.m. Alright, let's just ignore it and move to the next. Press mode once and we're going to have a stopwatch. On top here is the hour, below here is the minute, and this is the second, and this part is the millisecond. Press this. Notice we have the start and stop and reset. These two buttons is crucial for this part. Press start and the stopwatch will go to start. Since this model have a split time, then if we press this reset button 1, then we go to split. Again, stop there and continue. Split again and continue, and split and continue, and press stop once, and you could, if you press this over here, it's going to reset the time. 0 stopwatch, everything reset. While you are doing this function, if this arrow is in your way, you can easily move this part aside by pressing the light button once. While holding it, press the mode button and hold it. It will beep 2 times, and this arrow and minute hand will automatically again move out of your way. And there. Next function, then we'll move again to usual position. I'm just going to ignore it for this video because it's going to take a lot of time. World time function. Now we are UTC standard time. Just use the rotary crown to spin the city names. You can check the city names from the manual, they have all of it, how many hours you're gonna add. So for now, let's see, we have JRS, it stands for, if you wait, you're going to display everything, which is Jerusalem, which is now 10 a.m. in the morning. This is the date, this is the second, that's all for world time. Move away, and we're now at alarm. From here, we can change everything using the start and stop to on and off any alarm or any function over here. For now, I'm off the signal. And then if you spin this rotary crown up or down, you can move it, switch it between functions. And we have alarm number 1, switch again, alarm number 2, spin it again, alarm number 3, spin it again, alarm number, and then we have 4, and then we have news function. If you want to switch it on, just press the start and stop once, on or off. I want to leave it on over there, and I want to signal also on. Signal function is a beep sound each time you're at every hour, such as if this watch go from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., this watch will beep once telling you guys 1 hour already passed. You can just switch it off back, signal off, and then we are good. Press this once and we are at timer. To set up the timer, this is the digital display. This is the analog display purely made for the timer function. To set it up, just spin this rotary crown up or down. The analog hand will also go at the same time set up with the digital display. Let's just try it at 1 minute. Alright, timer for 1 minute, and you can just press start. There, the time going to start, and that's basically it for this part. To reset it, you cannot just press reset over here. You first need to press stop and then you could reset the time. Now I'm just going to leave it at 1 minute, and after the timer function, if we press mode once, we'll be back to timekeeping mode. If such as you are at alarm and you want to move right away to timekeeping mode, you don't have to go to press it all the way there. All you need to do, such as I am now at wartime, all you need to do is press modes, hold it, and it will automatically bring back to war timekeeping, just like that. From here, since this model is made for mainly timer, you can easily access there without need to press all the way back here. All you need to do is just rotate the crown upwards. There. Press it again, hold it, and you'll go to back to timekeeping. Usually if you just spin the crowns one, nothing will happen because they don't want anyone to mistakenly use the crown. So just in case you are wondering why you didn't go to the timer function as soon as you press the crown, that was the reason. So you need to spin the crown twice to get to timer mode right away. From here you can just start and use your timer function as usual anytime you like. Alright, one more thing I want to show you guys. At the stopwatch part, we have a countdown as well, a 1 minute countdown, which is really nice. To access it, you need just to spin the crown up, and we have now my -1 second, or you can set it 2 seconds, 3 seconds, all the way to 1 minute. The beeping sound will only start at 3 seconds, so let's hit it up. 6, 3, 2, 1, go. And that's the time the stopwatch will start right away. You can just split it, or start and reset it. Alright, back to timer. Another interesting part about this timer is that if you are late for a timer, let's say you set it up for 1 minute and you forgot to check it out after the beeping sound already done, this watch will display how many seconds that you were left behind. Let's see it up from here. The time is already over. Yeah, you could see this digital here still be rising up. This thing shows that I am 10, 11, 12 seconds late over the time that I already set up. So you press start and stop once and press reset and you're back to normal again. Press this one and you're back to timekeeping mode. As usual, while using the timer function, if these arrows are on your way, you can press the light and mode all together and it will move out of your way. Or you can press mode again once, it will back again as usual. For the light functions, there it is. Pretty bright. I already set it up at 3 seconds and press and hold it to set it up for automatic. There. Hold the light button for like 10 seconds and it will automatically on the auto light function. Raise your arm and it will light up. I'm just going to switch it off back, hold it. There. So that's basically it for this function of GA400 model. Anyway, if you guys still curious about more details, you can check the manual. Everything that I taught you is in here. So that's basically it for this G-vlog. End it, and I hope you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up button. Oh, there's my cue. I need to end this now. See you guys in my next G-vlog. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and I'm out.